Hello, welcome to the course of Computer Network. So today we are going to discuss about Internet access technology. So in this class we are going to discuss about the Internet access technology categories, then local loop, ISDN, DSL, HFC and optical fiber technology, and in last we will discuss about wireless access technology. So starting with the very first, let's discuss about the Internet access technology. So internet access technology refers to a data communication system that connects a internet subscriber to the internet service provider such as telephone companies or the cable companies. So here the internet access technology divided into two categories, upstream and downstream. Here the upstream refer to the data traveling from subscriber to the internet service provider, and in downstream it refers to the data traveling from a service provider in the internet to a subscriber. So here the subscriber receives much more information than the subscriber send. It means in internet access technology, they design the system to transfer more data in one direction than the another. Like the upstream data is less as compared to the downstream data. The next technology is used to provide internet access based upon the data rate. So these are narrowband and broadband. So narrowband refer to technologies that deliver data up to the rate of 128 kilobit per second. The example of these narrowband technologies are dial-up telephone connection, lease circuit using modem, T1 data circuits, ISDN, and other telco data services. And broadband refer to the technologies that offer high data rates up to 1 megabits per second. For example, DSL technology, cable modem technologies, wireless access technologies, and data circuits at T1 speed or higher. Next, let's discuss about the internet access technology. First one is local loop. Here, it describes the physical connection between a telephone company central office and a subscriber location. It is also known as local subscriber line and a local loop. Here, the local loop circuit consists of pair of copper wire and has a much higher bandwidth to transmit the signal. So due to the advancement in data networking, telephone operator wants to provide high speed for data communication by using local loop technology. Then the ISDN was designed to provide large scale digital service to the subscriber. ISDN stand for Integrated Service Digital Network. Here the ISDN will have three separate digital channels designated 2Bs and 1D. Here the 2B channels each operated at speed of 64 kbps and are used to carry digitized voice, data or the compressed video. And the D channel operates at 16 kilobit per second and it is used as a control channel. So here a subscriber uses the D channel to request services which are then supplied over the B channel. And here when ISDN was first proposed, 128 kilobit seemed much faster speed than the dial-up modem. So here both B channels are combined to produce a single channel with a data rate of 128 kilobit per second. Next is digital subscriber line, that is DSL. Here this is one of the main technologies used to provide high speed data communication service over a local loop. The type of DSL are like ADSL, asymmetric DSL, that is used by residential customers. Then is ADSL, that is ADSL version 2 that provide the high speed. Then ADSL, SDSL, symmetric DSL, that is used in businesses to send the data or to export the data. HDSL is known as high bit rate DSL. It is used in businesses for long distance communication. VDSL is a very high bit rate DSL. It having a speed of 52 megabit per second. Here the ADSL uses frequency division multiplexing to divide the bandwidth of local loop into three regions. ADSL can achieve a downstream rate of 8.448 megabit per second on short local loop and an upstream rate of 640 kilobit per second. Under the best condition, here the ADSL2 can download at a close rate of 20 megabit per second. Next is cable modem technology. Here the cable televisions use coaxial cable which are having a high bandwidth and will have a less electromagnetic interference than the twisted pair. Here this use the FDMA technique to deliver many channels of entertainment simultaneously. Here the cable television operator configure a pair of cable modem One is the CATV center and the other one is the subscriber side. They use the carrier frequencies channel for communication and multiplex the channel onto the cable along the television signal. Here the cable system can support data rate of 52 megabit per second downstream and 512 kilobit per second upstream. But practically this rate is low because of the noises. Next is hybrid cable coax, that is HFC. This is an expensive technology. HFC systems use combination of optical fiber and the coaxial cable. The fibers are used for central facilities and coaxial used for the connection to individual subscriber. It use fiber optic for the portion of network that require the highest bandwidth and use coaxial for the part that can tolerate the lower data rate. Here the devices is placed in each neighborhood which convert the signal between the optical and coaxial cable. If coaxial cables are already installed in the place for the cable TV, then the cost must be minimized in this HFC, that is hybrid cable coaxial. Next is optical fiber technology. Their cable companies have proposed a variety of technology that can employ optical fiber in a hybrid system and deploy the optical fiber all the way to each subscriber. Like first one is FTTC, that is fiber to the curb, and it is deployed in most part of USA and Canada. It is similar to HFC, but it uses optical fiber for the high capacity trunk. It differs from HFC because it uses two media in each feeder circuit to allow the cable system to provide an additional services such as the voice. Next is FTTP, that is fiber to the building. It is a technology that uses optical fiber for high upstream data rate. Then is FTTH, that is fiber to the home. It is a technology that uses optical fiber to deliver higher downstream data rate to the residential subscriber. And last one is FTTP, that is fiber to the premises. This consists of both FTTB and FTTH. Last one is wireless access technology. Here it is used in remote areas to provide services. 3G and 4G cellular technology, telephone data services, example EVDO and LTE. Next one is WiMAX, wireless access technology, that provide the data rate up to 155 megabit per second using radio frequencies. And last one is satellite, that will also offer internet access services in distance area or in the case of natural disaster prone area. So these are the different type of internet access technology. Thank you.